A cyclist covers a distance in 2 hours at 30 km/h. So let this be a distance, right? How much is this distance? Because you know that distance is equal to speed into time. How much is the speed out here? It is 30 km/h. In how many hours? 2 hours. So what is going to be the total distance? It is going to be 60 kilometers. One thing that we have figured out, that distance is 60 kilometers, right? While he is returning, he is taking 3 hours. So how do you find out the average speed for the entire journey? Average speed for the entire journey. Speed for the entire journey is total distance. That is what we do. Total distance upon total time. On total time. What is the total distance, by the way? The total distance that we have taken is 60 pro and 60 back. So this is 120. How much is the total time? This is 2 hours and then 3 hours. Collectively it is 120 over 5. What is the answer? 24. 24 is the right answer. I hope you have understood. So average speed should be taken as total distance upon total time, right?